Hi, my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. So today I'm going to look at this. That is so pretty. I'm not a big pink person, but I don't know, that's amusing to me. And I like the way it feels. Like you can tell that the little glitters are stuck in there. Like it's mostly smooth, but then you kind of feel them once in a while. So this is the Tarte Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust Eye and Cheek Palette. I know I'm late to the game with this one, but okay, I thought that was gonna hurt. Yeah, that same like somewhat vanilla smell. I didn't need this. Okay, I know that. And that's why I didn't buy it till now, because it was 30% off, I got free shipping, so I bought it now. It's not my usual thing, because this is pretty neutral with a little gold, a little pink, but when I played with it in the store, I thought it was good quality, it was cute, and I don't know, something different, so here we are. So I'm thinking this should actually be a pretty easy trial, because there's not, at least in my opinion, it's not like I'm overwhelmed with, oh, what to do, like so many colors or so many textures I want to try. It's basically some mattes and shimmers, and they're all very cool toned. So it's like, do I want to go with basically the neutral, the pink, the gold, or the duochrome, which I know that's like what I'm drawn to, but I want to like kind of do something a little different. I actually don't know what I'm wearing today, so I guess we'll do this, and that'll determine my outfit. You know me, I like matching my outfits and my makeup. I'm gonna start with Gossamer, which is this one, if I don't hit myself in the face with the palette, and just set my Too Faced eyeshadow primer with it from crease to brow bone. I know some people set their whole eye area, but I find that when I do that, like it takes away from the shimmer. The shimmer doesn't stick as well. The two over here look very close. Well, not in there, but out here they do, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in with Giggle. Giggle, that's funny. This is my fluffy brush from Wish. It's like a muted, I mean, it's a cool tone muted beige with maybe a hint of like a pink lilac. Okay, it's nice. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it. Why not? We'll go into Whimsical to kind of see what difference there is. Yeah, okay. I feel like it's basically the same shade, but like darker. Just by a little. Okay, now I'm going to take my IBY crease brush and go into Wish, because I don't know if you can tell there, but here, this is a brown, and this is a very dark plum. So, ooh, okay. No, I'm scared. Let me tap some off. Okay, this is nice too. What a difference from the Icy Betch palette that I tried the other day. That's nice. Okay, so I'm going to take my dollar store brush. I really wish I knew what it is, what brand, where I got it. There's literally nothing on it, and there never was. And I'm going to go into the middle shade, which doesn't have a name. Okay. Okay, it's got some glitter in it. That does not bother me. I welcome it. Pretty. Now, alright, I'm gonna go in with Flitter, which is the pink shimmery shade. Ooh, that feels good. That's nice. Like I said, this palette is definitely not my usual look. Everything I wear is usually much louder than this, but I figured we'd try some new things. I'm going to use this one again, the IBY crease brush, and take a little bit of Wish and see if I can put it over here. By the way, I know that's not very pretty, but it's an open cut, and I was not putting foundation on that. Needs to be open and heal. I recommend that's what you guys do to your open cuts and stuff too. I know they're not pretty, but it's not worth the infection. Just trying to blend them together a little bit. I'm so tempted to, I know, this is like, that's nice. It's so like neutral and, you know. Let me see if I can put a tiny bit of Mystical. Ooh, see, that changes the look entirely. Let's do it. Yeah, that's pretty. That adds a little more, a little extra something, even though I still didn't go too far out of the neutral, cool-toned look. I feel like you didn't need both of these. Maybe put in like a matte pink, like a real pink. Like it could still be like a light cotton candy pink, like not like, you know, that kind of pink. But, yeah, I don't know. That could have been something, another little pop in there, but I know, not everyone's like me. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to start, oh, what is this? The BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. I'm going to go into Wish, tap a little off, just kind of lightly put some of that in so that there's a little depth and line to my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with Flitter, which is the light pink. These are applying well. And then I'm going to go in with Mystical and do the same thing I did basically on the upper lid. The upper lid. There's one lid. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Moda contour brush. Looks like this. And I'm going to try out the highlight on my face. Wonder if it'll be a little too dark. So it's got like a champagne to it. That could be a little too dark for me if I'm not careful. It's also not the kind of highlight I usually go for, but I just wanted to try it out. I would have preferred like a light pink, like say Ofra's Pillow Talk or the Kat Von D from the triangle one, the Alchemist palette, something like that, but that's okay. So I'm going to go clockwise. We have Mystical, Wish, Gossamer, Frolic, Twinkle, Flitter, Wonder, Whimsical, Giggle, Magical, nope, just Magic, and the highlight in the middle. Okay, so the one thing I'll say, oh, I'm getting so critical lately, but it's called like, what is it called again? Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust. I would have liked to see more pink, more sparkle, like maybe some like pastel, like purple, blue, green, peach kind of things, but what can I say? But if you take that out of it, I think it's a nice palette, even though it's not usually, even though it's not my usual thing. Okay, so that's it for today. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, all four of you, I hope you have a good day. Bye.